Let's address the core question. How do you reset a Ring Spotlight cam? There are two primary types of resets: a soft reset, which restarts the device, and a hard reset, which returns it to factory settings. The reset button location may vary slightly between different Ring Spotlight cam models, such as the Plus and Pro versions. To perform a soft reset using the Ring app, start by opening the app and navigating to your device settings. In the device settings, select Device Health, then choose Reboot Device to restart the camera. The camera will begin rebooting. Watch the progress indicator complete. For a power cycle reset, locate the breaker that controls your camera's power. Turn off the breaker and wait a few seconds before turning it back on. The reset button location varies by Ring Spotlight cam model. We'll show you the common positions where you can find it. On many models, the reset button is located underneath the camera. Tilt the camera up from its mount to access the small button there. Some models have the reset button on the top of the camera housing. Look for a small button that may require a paperclip or similar tool to press. For battery-powered models, the reset button is often inside the battery compartment. Remove the battery cover to access the small reset button inside. The reset button is typically very small and recessed. You may need a paperclip, pin, or similar pointed tool to reach and press it firmly. Remember to check your specific model documentation, as button locations can vary. The button is usually clearly marked or indicated in the user manual. To perform a hard reset on your Ring Spotlight cam, first locate the reset button on the back of the device. The reset button is a small recessed hole. You'll need a paperclip to press it. Insert the straightened end of a paperclip into the reset button hole. Press and hold the button for 10 to 20 seconds. The camera will begin the reset process. Continue holding until you see the light flash or change color, indicating the reset is complete. After the hard reset completes, your Ring Spotlight cam returns to its factory default settings. This means all previous configurations, recordings, and linked accounts are completely erased. Watch as the camera's data is cleared in this visual representation. You'll need to go through the initial setup process again using the Ring app, just like setting up a brand new camera. After a hard reset, the Ring Spotlight cam needs to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Open the Ring app and tap to add a new device. Select the Ring Spotlight cam from the list of devices to set up. Follow the on-screen instructions. The app will guide you to select your Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. Wait for the camera to connect. The lights on the device will indicate the connection process. If connection fails, double-check your Wi-Fi password and ensure the camera is within range of your router. If the camera isn't resetting, you might be having trouble pressing the reset button. Try using a different tool like a SIM ejector pin and make sure the button is fully pressed. When the camera won't connect to Wi-Fi, look for this warning icon. Restart your router and ensure the camera is within Wi-Fi range. If the camera light isn't flashing during reset, it may be solid instead. Hold the reset button longer and check the specific reset procedure for your camera model on the Ring Support website. For persistent issues, contact Ring Support through their website or phone. Visit support.ring.com or call their support line. Before concluding, here are some important considerations and final tips for resetting your Ring Spotlight cam. Remember the key distinction. A soft reset simply restarts the camera, while a hard reset returns it to factory settings. Always consult your specific Ring Spotlight cam model's manual or the Ring website for detailed instructions. Only perform a hard reset if absolutely necessary, as it will erase all your data and settings. Subscribe for more Ring camera tips and tutorials to stay updated.